Welcome to M-Coach Safety Training Channel. Today we will be discussing a free safety tool, where safety practitioners can use it to conduct safety culture survey for their organizations. Depending on the contents of survey, safety culture survey may sometimes be referred as safety climate survey, or employees safety perception survey. A safety culture survey enables an organization to better understand how its employees perceive safety and health, as well as organizations' approach to safety and health management. It allows the organization to identify both strengths and weaknesses, which then enable it to continuously monitor and improve its approach to safety and health. We will not discuss safety culture in detail. This video focuses on how you can easily conduct an in-house survey effectively by using the free M-Coach Safety Culture Survey tool. When mention about safety culture survey, some might think that it's a big boys game, where normally only those multinational companies or government-linked companies could afford to have. Although most safety practitioners acknowledge the importance of it, yet it's rarely seen in small and medium enterprises. Some reasons might be difficulty in identifying relevant and important questions to be included in the survey, not used to data collection and analysis methods in order to come out with convincing conclusions, absence of industry benchmark that provides overall picture to management regarding current status, lacking of reference when outlining action plan, budget concern, thinking that outsourcing to external consultant is costly. The good news is, the free tool that we discuss here will solve most of these concerns. Actually, there are many resources in the internet where we can deploy as basis for working out a safety culture survey. In our case, we've utilized information published on Health and Safety Executive, or HSE webpage as the core resource. There are a number of advantages here. First, government agencies would more likely have sufficient data when designing questions in the survey. Those questions are normally deemed relevant and important, as well as applicable across industries. Second, the analysis of data has better ground. Although it might look simple, but that would be sufficient to provide a meaningful overall picture to the management. Third, it provides recommendations to actions to be taken based on current situation of an organization. This is very important, as we know that only actions will make difference. If there is no action planned after the survey, then might as well don't do it at the first place. Normally, survey developed by government agencies also brings more credibility. The program that we are going to discuss here has taken care of identifying questions, data collection and analysis, as well as suggested conclusions and action plan. The tool includes 6 important aspects in safety and health. Commitment, which indicates the importance you and your workers attach to safety and health. Worker engagement, which describes the involvement your workers have in safety and health decisions. Prioritizations of safety and health, which shows the attention given to safety and health compared to getting the job done. Compliance, which implies how the organization is complying with its safety and health responsibilities. Measurement, which illustrates the way safety and health is measured. Organizational learning, which makes learning from experience on safety and health, and that lessons learned are communicated to workers. After discussing the aspects covered in the survey, let us look at how our program automates the process. First, let's talk about program setup. You will need only Microsoft Excel, nothing else. You can download the file from our website at www.mcoach.my. Scroll down the website and go to consultancy page. You can download the file here. After downloading, unzip the file into a common folder where your survey participants can access to. Please make sure both files are inside the same folder. To start a survey, open the Health and Safety Diagnostic Tool file. In case that you are required to enable macros, please do so. Click here to launch the pop-up survey form. There are total 6 questions here, corresponding the 6 aspects which we mentioned earlier. For each question, select the answer that you think is closest to the actual situation in the organization. After completing all 6 answers, click on Submit. Then confirm your submission. Since all survey participants will be using the SAFE file for survey submission, it is important to close the file every time after one has completed the survey. Survey data will be collected and analyzed in this database file. It can process up to 500 surveys. Please take note that when database file is opened, survey participants will not be able to submit their surveys for time being. A pop-up message will come out to notify them after clicking the submit button. You are advised to try and familiar yourselves with the function before rolling out the survey. When you are ready, click reset button to clear all the trial data. Then you are all set. Now we look at how we interpret the results. Here indicates the stage that best represents your current situation. There are 5 stages, namely, starting blocks, getting going, walking, running, and sprinting. All stages are given a short overall description here. For each aspects of safety and health as per the survey. Here describes the representing choices from participants. Now we look at second worksheet. The radar chart indicates relative strengths and weaknesses as perceived by participants. Bear in mind this is not absolute values for comparison between organization. The next step worksheet provides recommended actions for each aspects. Safety and health improvement is a continuous process. Therefore actions are planned progressively based on existing situation. This is to avoid missing of important elements as well as preventing cultural shock if actions taken are too drastic. This program provides basic concept on how safety culture survey can be conducted in-house. You can use the concept to create your own set of questions, or add some other data as deemed helpful for your survey. For example, adding departments, year of service and so on. At very basic ground, the survey must give positive impact to the organization. If you are interested to conduct a customized safety culture survey, beginning from designing the survey to planning the improvement action, you are welcome to contact us from our website. Hope you enjoy the program. Good luck and see you again in our next video.